Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to show you a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. We've got a white hull with blue graphics, but it does come with a Caravan single axle galvanized trailer with brakes. Got this boat equipped with a Mercury 4-stroke 115 horsepower motor, so the boat has plenty of power, flies through the water. Let's take a look inside. This model, they have integrated the fuel tanks. There's one 25-gallon fuel tank under the deck. Lots of deck space here. You can get seat options with backrest for the back if you desire. We also have a lot of storage under the helm seat. Reversible helm seat. Then we also equipped it with a 7-inch Axiom display, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, speakers. Really nicely equipped boat. We got the blue bimini top to match the graphics. It does have a battery on-off switch here. In the console, got a lot of nice storage, places to keep your maps, charts, paperwork. And then it does have a removable cooler in the front, which is part of the fishing package. All right, guys, also the bow cushion here. It's ready to go, 2020 Boston Whaler. 17 Montauk at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.